Welcome back to my channel. We are going to be testing out a new concealer from Cover FX. This is the concealers that we are going to be trying out. These concealers are very full coverage. I tried them at the store and whoa, I was very impressed with the coverage. Now this is very expensive. This is like $30. I love Cover FX products, so I really wanted to try these out. This is P Deep 5 and the lighter one is P Deep 3. You get 33 fluid ounce in this bottle, and I also picked up a darker shade that I wanted to try out to contour. The concealer is vegan and it's a long wearing crease proof concealer with weightless full coverage that also provide next level pollution defense with a naturally radiant finish. Since this is a Cover FX video, I wanted to use the foundation. Now I really do love this foundation, so I wanted to try it out again. I have the foundation, which is the Power Play foundation. This is N90. I really do love the coverage in, so I really wanted to put it in the video so you guys could see how it looks with the concealer. I also have the pressed powder. I love this pressed powder. I've been using it a lot lately. I'm going to be using this primer from Flesh. I'm going to be using this brush from BH Cosmetics. I don't even know what number this is. I don't even think there's a number. I'm gonna try it out. I'm just gonna put a little bit here. So right now I'm noticing that I picked up the wrong shade. When I swatch it at the store, this shade looked very light. I always get a little frustrated when I go to the Sephora store because of the light. If I like this, I'm just gonna go back and exchange it. So I'm gonna take this brush here and I'm just going to pat it in. This is very thick, but so far I'm getting really nice coverage. So far I'm really loving the way that it blends. It blends up really fast. It's really not cakey under the eyes, and I am getting a full coverage. I know the color is kind of off a little bit, but I still like it. I will probably have to go back and get a lighter shade, but so far that I'm really liking the way that it looks. We're gonna go with the darker shade, which is D5. I really love the shade range. They're really good. I think I should have picked up neutral. So we're gonna go ahead and blend this out. I'm just gonna start right in the front here. This one is a little bit too drying. The concealer dried on really fast, so you do need to work a little fast. That's why I'm like bumping my face like that. I want to make sure that concealer don't crease. Use this drugstore product. I'm just gonna use this to contour. The last thing that we have to do now, I want to set my entire face, but I don't want to use any other powders. I'm just going to stick with the Cover FX setting powder. I don't remember if I mentioned what shade this is. This is deep. So I'm going to take a little bit, tap it off, and I'm just going to put it all over the face. Right now, this is what we're working with, but I want to just spray my face. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Spot Fix Setting Spray. You guys know that I have a little bit of wrinkles under the eyes because, you know, school days. So what I want to see is that if it's going to crease. That is my most concern when I'm trying out concealers. So I want to test this out, maybe give it 10 to 15 minutes to see how it looks under my eyes. I want to see if it's settling in between my crease, and if it do, then that is not a good thing. It's a little pricey. It should do the job. It says that it's crease proof, so that's what I'm looking for. The concealer holds up really good. Don't see anything creasing up in my little fine lines I have below my eyes. It really looks really good. The matte foundation really feels good on my skin with the concealer. It's a full coverage concealer. And I think I picked up the wrong shade like I told you guys in the beginning. I think I need neutral. and I picked up a darker shade, but it still works perfectly fine. So everything looks good. I do love how it looks. It looks very natural. I like the fact that I use the setting powder to set under the eyes because I am actually seeing how everything works together. Very, very small for the price, and you're only getting 33 fluid ounce. If you guys want to try a new concealer, hey, why not try this out? Get a sample. The other thing I don't like is the applicator. I don't like that ball thing. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about the concealer. I will see you in my next video. Bye.